Chief Minister Conrad inaugurated the Science Section building at Sngaps Aim College, Multipurpose, funded with Rs 4 crore under RUSA 2.0. He also announced Rs 20 lakh for a multi-purpose hall and a college bus through the Chief Minister's Special Development Scheme. Additionally, the state government approved the introduction of science and commerce streams at 5 government colleges and pledged support for Sngaps Aim College. Sangma emphasized the need to offer students diverse academic choices.
Education has been one of the most important pillars for us as a government. It is also one of the most challenging sectors and departments. For the past 52 years, the kind of attention that we would have wanted in education could not be given, for whatever reason. I don't want to go into that. But there has been kind of a neglect. And we have realized that there needs to be more work and effort that needs to go in.
An inauguration ceremony for the completed houses under the